If you don't know what to do with your pizza dough, try these quick stuffed baguettes. They're really delicious. To start, you're going to heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. You're going to finely chop a large onion and put it in the hot pan. Add to that 3 cloves of chopped garlic and stir everything together. Sauté well until the onions start to caramelize. Meanwhile, we will need 500 grams of chicken breast, which we will cut into small cubes. This is just a stuffing idea, but of course you can put whatever you like in it. Once the onions are perfectly caramelized and nice and tender, we add the diced chicken. The chicken can be replaced with ground meat or turkey. So we mix our chicken well with the onions. We're going to season it next, so I added salt and pepper, paprika, ginger, and a mix of garlic and roasted pepper. I mixed everything together well. Cooking the stuffing is really the longest part of this recipe. The rest is actually super simple and quick. After about 15 minutes of cooking the chicken, we add some chopped parsley. We mix everything well and the stuffing is ready. We take it off the heat. On your work surface, you put a little bit of flour and you place your pizza dough. By the way, if you want my pizza dough recipe, feel free to let me know in the comments. Otherwise, you can use 2 to 4 store-bought pizza doughs. I have 900 grams of dough, so I divide it into 4 pieces. I shape 4 nice round balls. I set aside the other 3 balls of dough and cover them with a cloth to keep them from drying out. I'll start by rolling out my first ball of dough. So I roll it out quite thinly. No need to have a perfect shape. You just give it a shape, like this, a little bit oval. Then you put your filling in the center, never going to the edges. You put the filling of your choice. For me, I added a few slices of olives, I added some truffles, and a slice of cheese. And I fold both sides like this. It's a fairly stretchy dough. To keep the 2 edges from sticking together too quickly, I put some grated cheese there. And I pinched it well like this to close it. Then we place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We make small cuts like this. Between each cut, I put grated cheese. And finally, I added a few olives. With the amount of filling I had, I was able to prepare 3 baguettes. The 4th one, I filled with something else. Bake at 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. All that's left is for you to enjoy. See you soon.